Hey, this is Wakefield from True Online Wealth, and what I want to talk to you today about is mail order programs are the way to go. Online can be, but the thing about the reason mail order programs are the way to go is the fact that everybody's not computer savvy. Everybody can't build a capture page, or everybody can't set up a pay-per-click campaign. It's a lot of stuff that's more complicated and sophisticated when it comes to internet marketing. You're more able to get people to duplicate what you're doing with mail order than you can with online businesses or internet marketing. Uh, Anybody can put a flyer in an envelope, address it, put a stamp on it, and drop it in the mailbox. But uh, internet marketing is a little bit more complex. Uh, it's just not for everybody. Some people couldn't get it internet marketing if they wanted to, but I don't know one person that'll find putting a flyer in an envelope, addressing and putting a stamp on it and putting it in the mail. I just don't know anybody that can't do that. I think a 2-year-old, could do something like that. Uh, but yeah, I mean, the beauty about mail order is the fact that you can just go to your mailbox and have a money order or cash, you know, sometime 5 to 10 orders or maybe even more a day. Just depends on how many of these programs you marketing and getting out there. So mail order is the way to go. Like this flyer right here, it's the $500 cash machine. It's been around about 5 years now. I have done incredible with this program. You see how beautiful the flyer is. You see massive leverage. All you got to do is mail this thing out and get people to do the same thing. And that's it. And it's only $1,000 to join if you join me. You just send me 500 and the monitor 500, and then you're gonna get a flyer just like this. And I move into your number two, and you'll be in the number one position. And there's still two other more spaces to go. And all you do is mail out, get your downline to do the same thing, and have $500 payments coming directly through you. I mean, directly to you, either cash, money order, or cashier's check. Uh, like I say, this program, I mean, people work themselves to death and don't make 500. And some people work themselves to death and make 500, but they get so much taken out of their check. By the time they take the stuff out of their check, they might be at 415 or sometimes 350. They could have child support to pay or back time uh, paying, owing the IRS, or they take 401k out. They take a lot of, or they could be in a union. They take that out. So, uh, I mean, and these people working 40, 50, 60 hours a week. And when they get through taking out everything, it's not even 500. Just imagine getting two of these a week. That's $1,000. Just like that. And and there's no limit. I mean, you could just might have an incredible week where you get four or five. That's 2,000 or $2,500 in one week. And you'll have people coming on your direct line directly under you. But what about when you get all those people to duplicate and they mail out just like you, and then they pop a $500 cash machine sale? And guess what? You're in the number two and three and four position, and you making money off other people's marketing efforts. You profiting from leverage. Like they say, massive leverage, because 1, 2, 3, 4 spots, and the owner's in number 5 spots. So mail order programs are the way to go, and it's easier to get somebody to duplicate this than an online business because that's not cut out for everybody. So I'm gonna have plenty more stuff to market and plenty more stuff to talk about in the future. So you most definitely want to subscribe to this channel and click that notification bell. And all I gotta say, get started with mail order today. Y'all have a good day. Bye.